what's up, guys? It's Bubbles back on our video, and today, as you guys see, we have this Ferrari right here. Today, we're going to be trading it in for a new Ferrari that's going to be from the trusty old dealership that I love. I always use them. They have got me so many cars. They've gave me, so many, deals and, stuff. So let's go to the dealership. This car, I told them this car is a really good car that they should sell. They can give me the car that's overpriced if they wanted to. But I'm sure they'll give it to me underpriced. Don't mind the red light, guys, because red lights don't matter here in Southwest Florida. People are crazy. No one cares about red lights. Woo, we're flying over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's listen to that. Woo! Look at that. Oh my god, we just went on the curb. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, this is... Oh, there's a cop right there. Oh my god. That's scary. That's scary. Let's turn off our headlights, okay? Because we don't want him trying to find me, bro. We need to turn right here. Oh my god. That was close. We almost crashed it right before. We would have got less money for it. Okay, now we can turn back. Oh, I think that was a cop. Dang, okay. Let's go into the dealership. Right here. Let's go. Because here in Southwest Florida, we have pretty expensive cars, and we don't really care about red lights because we be racing, we be doing crazy stuff over here. It's not like Greenville where you're just cruising on the highway. It's crazy. So let's go to our guy who loves it. He said, I can't record in there, so I can't bring anything in there. I can't show you guys this in there. So let's go into the dealership, see what they offer me for this car. So yeah, see you when we get out. Oh wait, is there anyone here? Wait, does that mean I can steal a car? I'm gonna steal a car. I'm gonna steal a car. I want all of these, bro. I don't know what I should get. I want this one. I want this one. Do I have it? Can I get it? Bro, I'm just stopping. Oh, there's a cop right there. Oh, that's not good. That ain't good. That ain't good. Okay, they're not behind me. They did not want to get onto me. That's surprising. They didn't want to get onto me. Our house is somewhere. I forgot where my own house is. Oh, we just missed it. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god, we just ran. Oh my god, that was crazy, yo. Okay, let's go in our bedroom. Let's go. Our bedroom is up here. Okay. Yo. We're going to talk about this. I'm just going to sit right here. Okay. Oh my god, don't turn on the light. Okay, guys. We just stole a $140K car. Hopefully no cops are outside. Hopefully, because I don't want anyone to go outside. Because, guys, it's in my garage right now. Which is crazy because I don't know in what way, how I managed to do that without, like, those cops. Bro, there's, like, literally, like, always cops in that dealership. But there was none today because I guess they just, like, didn't care. They were just, like, not caring. Like, bro, like, they were just, like, nah, just, like, steal my car, bro. Bro, they didn't even, like, say anything, like, bro. Those kids were just, like, AFK, bro. That was crazy, but have a great day. Like, subscribe, and have a great day. And peace. Like and subscribe, please. I want you to, we're trying to get to 250, okay? Now subscribe, or you're going to turn into that, like, you're going to turn into all those trees outside. You see all those, like, green things out of my window? That's who you're going to turn into. So I don't think you want to turn into them. So, yeah, that's why you want to subscribe, okay? You have a fan light right here that we're going to turn off. Or maybe it's stuck. Okay, yeah, have a great day. Make sure to subscribe, and peace. So, yeah, you're going to turn to that palm tree, so bye. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and peace.